In this video I will show you how can you make a message as unread on Messenger. You can see here this message I have read some days ago, but now I want to make it as unread. So if you can do that, if you want to do that to new message, you also can do that as same process. For make as unread, you have to simply come here on your Messenger app. You can see here I am on my Messenger app. After come here on your Messenger app, you have to simply select a person whose message you want to make as unread. So let's take this person message I want to make as unread. So you have to tap on this person profile for some time, and then you can see here make as unread. You have to simply click here make as unread. After clicking make as unread, you can see here the message have been made as unread. So that's how you can do that. So this is today's video. If you have any question related to the video, you can ask me in my comment box. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end.